Hey, it's Ross. Your sales team isn't always at a desk. You need to log calls, send emails, and check deal statuses from anywhere. In just over 3 minutes, I'm going to show how the Monday.com mobile app keeps your entire CRM workflows smooth, fast, and fully optimized while on the go. Let's dive in. The easiest way to download the app? While logged in to Monday.com on your computer, find the QR code here to download the mobile app, with your account already logged in. Okay, here we've landed on your personalized home screen. Boards you favorited are at the top. And a quick note here, organizing them on the web will send those changes to your mobile view too. And if your company uses multiple products at Monday, check how easy it is to switch between them, from work management to Monday CRM in a couple of taps. Okay, from here, we'll navigate to the relevant workspace, and then open our deals board. Real quick, take a peek at the bottom navigation, where you can toggle between deals, accounts, leads, and contacts. Okay, back to deals, where clarity is speed. See everything you need for each deal at a glance. You can customize exactly what information shows up here to prioritize your view. Filter the board to see only the deals assigned to you. And reorder the items based on any column here, like deal stage. Now, whenever you open the board, the information most pertinent to you is instantly available. First, the most essential feature, logging a call. You can initiate a call directly from a contact's phone icon or a phone number on the item card. When the call is done, the app immediately prompts you to log the activity and add a note. And pro tip, use your phone's speech-to-text feature. Just tap the microphone and dictate your notes directly into the update section. No info lost, no time-consuming chores at the end of a day on the move. And if you need to follow up with a contact, tapping the email address opens the mobile email composer. You can fire off a quick message on the spot, and that activity is also logged instantly to the emails and activities section. While out and about, get notified when you're mentioned by teammates. The push notification takes you directly to the update. Easily react, add images, and tag teammates to keep the conversation going. Within the app, stay up to date with urgent messages, notifications, and deadlines. Filter notifications to see updates where you were tagged, even work assigned to you. Swipe right to mark as read, or left to delete the notification altogether. Easy. Finally, for that bird's eye look at your daily performance, check out the dashboard card widget right on your home screen. This widget provides a snapshot of your most important KPIs, like monthly pipeline value or average deal size. What's better? Click on a widget to open the full dashboard view. Easily share metrics with your team, annotating the screen grab for any context. Simply put, keep your finger on the pulse of the business no matter where you are. And there you have it. The Monday CRM mobile app gives you full power over your pipeline, team activity, and communication, ensuring you never miss a deal when you're on the move. Download the app today. Click here for more tutorials on Monday CRM and all things Monday.com.